trying to get you one of the bigger ones. There we go. Oh. He knows exactly what he's doing. Wow. You like the cricket? Wow. You're really happy with the cricket. He's so excited. He's gonna throw up.
You just look at it to him alive?
Mm-hmm. Of course. I'm curious if he goes for the head first again, because if you noticed, he
I saw.
ripped the head off immediately. Would you like a cricket? Oh, gonna get a little better at grabbing him, buddy. Cricket. There you go. No, butt first this time. Oh, there he goes. He ripped the head off again. That was a good artist.
He eats bugs.